Heavy rainfall and flooding continue to impact Queensland's central coast. Taking a look at what we've seen in the past 24 hours, we can see significant cloud areas along those coastal parts. In the water vapour, it really highlights how much moisture is being pulled down around that central coast and Whitsundays area. There is a low pressure system sitting here which is really just dragging that tropical moisture down. In terms of the rainfall totals we've seen since 9 o'clock yesterday morning, widespread 100 to 200 millimetres between Mackay and Eyre, with localised falls in the 200 to 250 millimetre range. In fact, the top totals recorded in the 24 hours to 9 o'clock this morning were 360 millimetres at Finch Hatton, 320 millimetres at Ridgelands and 308 millimetres at Yungalar. That has triggered some pretty significant warnings across this area, including a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall. Now, this has been ongoing for a few days. It covers the area between St Lawrence and Eyre, as well as the adjacent land areas. So this is for heavy rainfall, which may lead to flash flooding and cause significant damage to properties, homes and businesses. Within this warning area, we could also see localised intense rainfall, which is even higher rainfall rates in a short space of time. As well as our severe weather warning for heavy rainfall, we do have flood warnings current across large parts of Queensland. We have the major flood warnings in the west for the Georgina and Eyre River catchments, but minor to moderate flooding across most other parts of central Queensland. This includes flood watches for the Lower Herbert and Central Coast catchments, covering this area of the coast that is expecting to see the highest rainfall totals in the next 24 hours or so. So taking a look at what that might look like, we're going to see that rainfall continuing to wrap around the low pressure system through the rest of today, really focused around that Mackay Coast area within that severe weather warning area. Following that, the low is going to move offshore, taking the most intense rainfall with it. We can really see things easing off across this central coast area, with more isolated to scattered showers remaining. Further scattered showers are still possible about the Cape York Peninsula, however, and as we go towards the end of the week, it's going to be a similar story. Showers continuing along the coast, but the heaviest rainfall will really have moved offshore. In terms of the rainfall totals, over the next 12 hours or so, we really see them building up around Mackay. We're expecting further totals in the triple digits, which will take our event totals well above 1 metre in some parts. As we continue through the later part of the week and that low moves offshore, we're going to see those further heavy falls moving a little bit further north, with just those isolated showers remaining about the central coast. So still a lot going on, although the end may be in sight as that rainfall starts to ease off later today. Make sure you check the latest forecasts and warnings via our website and app, and listen to all advice from your local emergency services.